In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import images into draw.io. By the end, you'll be able to bring images into your draw.io diagram using the File menu, drag and drop, or paste, so they appear directly on your canvas. First, open draw.io. Once the editor loads, make sure you can see your canvas or an existing diagram. Now go to the top menu and click File, then choose Import From. From here, choose where your image is coming from: device, URL, or cloud. Pick the option that matches your file location so draw.io knows where to look. A window or panel will open for that source. Select the image file you want to import so it's highlighted and ready. Then click Open to confirm. The image will import into your current diagram and appear on the canvas. This completes the import using the File menu. Next, the drag and drop method. And make sure your draw.io canvas is open and visible. Position your file browser so you can see both your image file and the draw.io workspace. Click and hold the image file, then drag it over the draw.io workspace area. As you move it over the canvas, keep the cursor within the main drawing area so the editor recognizes the drop. Release the mouse to drop and place the image on the canvas. The image will appear where you released it, confirming the drag and drop import worked. Now, the paste method. Start by copying the image from its source. You can copy it from another app, a preview window, or a web page, as long as you have the image on your clipboard. With the image copied, switch back to draw.io and make sure the canvas is active by clicking once inside the workspace. Paste into the canvas using Ctrl+V, and the pasted image will appear on the canvas immediately. This confirms the paste import method is complete. At this point, you've seen 3 reliable ways to import images into draw.io. Using file arrow import from is best when you want a clear source selection like device, URL, or cloud, and a confirmation step with open. Drag and drop is quick when you already have the file visible and want to place it directly into the workspace. Paste is ideal when the image is already on your clipboard and you need it to appear on the canvas fast. If you don't see the image after clicking open, check that the correct file was selected before confirming. When dragging and dropping, make sure you release the file over the canvas area, not the side panel, so it places correctly. When pasting, ensure the draw.io canvas is focused before pressing Ctrl+V. Clicking once inside the workspace helps the editor receive the paste command. These small checks help avoid missed imports and keep the process smooth. Once that's done, your image is successfully imported into draw.io and ready to use in your diagram. The task is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.